Welcome back to my channel Impact. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today I will talk to you about New Year resolution. Yes, we all know that 2020 was a very rough year for all of us, and in a week 2021 will start. So this 2021 will be a totally different year for all of us. So this year we should set a target for all of us. We all know about New Year resolution. Every year some of us set a target for us for the next year, and maybe in a week in the new year we all forgot about the New Year resolution. And some of you, those who don't believe in setting a New Year resolution, then this video may not be for you. But if you want to start a new life, a new beginning for the next year, then please stay tuned in the video till the end. And I will show you how to set a target for your next year, how you can keep maintaining your target and achieve the goal by end of this year. If you are still confused that why should you set a new target or a new year resolution, every alternate 12 months a new year comes and goes, then why to set a new target? Or maybe every year I set a new year resolution but I can't follow it. I always procrastinate what I set a goal for myself. This video I think will help you in this case. If you are still confused that why should you set a goal, then I will suggest you to watch a video. That video is The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. I'll mention the link in the below in the description box. Please have a watch. This video will change your life, I promise. So what is a goal? We all know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said that dream is not what you see at night, but dream is what which don't allow you to sleep. So I think goal is that dream which has a set target. We all have dream. Maybe it's small, maybe it's big, and some of us believe that we can't fulfill our dream, and that's why we'll be never able to fulfill our dream. So this is the year. It can be the year where a new change, a new beginning can be possible. Have you ever thought that why doing some new thing is so difficult? I will tell you why. Because whenever we try a new thing, our brain has to allocate new neurons for it, has to set a new path for it, and that has to be done by prefrontal cortex, which needs higher energy for the brain. But whatever we do day in day out life, for that a brain need not use more energy, it needs lower energy. That's why brain always prefers to do that way. And that is the reason whenever we set a new target for ourselves, then the brain always press the snooze button, and we can't do or we can't achieve our goal. But there are ways and means by applying which you can fulfill your dream or you can achieve your goal. What are these? So to get the answer, I have read a lot. There are many books like The Power of Habit, The 5 AM Club, The Secret, and many more. And also I have done a lot of research in the internet. And after that, what I got and what I practiced last year, that is the thing which I will share with you in this video. The very first thing which you need to do is write down your goal. Yes, writing down helps a lot. Actually, when you write it down, then you will know actually what is your goal. Maybe it can be a long-term goal or it can be a short-term goal like for a year. So write down your goal, set a target timeline, because the difference between goal and dream is only goal has a defined timeline. So set your timeline also. The next tips is you have to write down your goal every day. It seems very silly, I know, but if you practice this, you just follow this for a year, and let me know if you don't achieve your goal. So every morning, the first 5 minutes, you do this ritual. You write down your goal the first day, and every day you write it down again. This will remind your brain that you have set the goal for you, and this will instruct your brain and subconscious mind that you have set a goal for you. This helps a lot. The next thing is before sleeping, you have to see that page. So you can write it down in a journal, or you can write it down even in your mobile. So before sleeping, you see your goal again, and while sleeping, I mean just before sleeping, you have to visualize that. So visualization is another process which will help you in achieving your goal. So you have, suppose I'll just give you my example. So last year I set a goal, I set a fitness goal for me, because I gained a lot of weight for my pregnancy, and I set a goal that I want to reduce that much of weight, and not only weight reduction, but I want to actually be healthy. So in terms of healthier food habit, in terms of exercise, meditation, so all those target I have set. I have written it down that what should be my target weight and what is the target day. And I followed all the tips which I am telling you in this video. So it's not that silly. If you start doing it, and then you will be also convinced that by this way you can achieve it. The third thing is you can do little micro planning for the goal. Like if you have some financial goal, or if you have some goal for maybe higher education, or anything, whatever you want to achieve in the current one, whatever you want to achieve in the next 1 year, you just then you have to do some micro planning. Like what is the goal for next 3 months? What is the goal for next 1 month? Like this. So you have to do that also. The next thing is the morning, like I have said you about the morning rituals. So this also has to be a part of your morning rituals. Every day you have to show the gratitude that till yesterday you could do all the things. So there will be times where you will not be able to do maybe whatever you have set your goal. But you have to continuously have to have the faith on yourself that you will do that, and you will be achieving your goal by whatever set timeline you have set. So faith on yourself, that is another very important point. If you don't have faith on yourself, then how can the other person will have faith on you? So this is also very important point. The next important point is start slow, but start from the very next day where when you are setting the goal. So we all procrastinate our goal because of so many reasons. I totally agree with you. There are n number of reasons for not doing your goal, and that is why maybe you could not achieve your goal till now. But do not let this happen this year. You start small. Suppose you have written down that half an hour you will be doing exercise, and one day happened that you could not do it, or you just do it for maybe 5 minutes. It's okay. At least start small, but start towards achieving your goal. So that is another very important point. Even if you don't do for one day, the next day again another new beginning, and you have to start it fresh. I hope all these points will help you achieving your goal this year. And please let me know if you have any comments. If you feel that these videos are helpful, comment and share with your friends. This will encourage me to record the next video for you. Thank you.